Have you ever wondered why some people start dropshipping and make their first $1,000 in a week, while others struggle for months without even getting one sale? The answer usually isn't luck. It's not about fancy stores or expensive ads either. It's all about choosing the right product, the one that connects instantly with people and solves a real problem. Welcome back to our Dropshipping Mastery series. Today we're diving into the heart of your business, how to find winning products and profitable niches in 2025. If you watched the previous video, you already know what dropshipping is and how it works. Now, this is the part that actually decides whether you'll make money or not. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what kind of products to sell, where to find them, and how to make sure they'll sell before you even spend a single dollar on ads. Bullseye Step 1. Understand what makes a winning product. Let's start with this. Not every trending product is a winning product. A winning product has three things. Remember these words: problem solving, emotion, and wow factor. Problem solving. People love convenience. A product that fixes something in their daily life sells instantly. For example, posture correctors, portable blenders, or car scratch removers. These products solve small but annoying problems, and people don't even think twice before buying them. Emotion-driven. Products that make people feel something, joy, comfort, pride, confidence, or love, sell like crazy. Think of gifts, pet accessories, or personalized items. A dog paw necklace or a customized mug may not solve a problem, but they trigger emotions. Wow factor. Something unique that grabs attention instantly. When someone says, "Wait, what is that? I've never seen it before," that's your sign. It can be a new gadget, a clever tool, or just a cool design. So when you're scrolling through products, ask yourself, does this solve a problem? Does it trigger emotion? Does it make people say, "Wow"? If it checks at least two of these boxes, congratulations, you may have found a winner. Compass Step 2. Understand niches and why you need one. Now let's talk about niches. A niche is simply the category or market your store will focus on. Instead of selling random items like a general store, choosing a niche helps you target the right people. For example, you can create a niche store for pet lovers, dog face fitness and amp, health enthusiasts, biceps, home improvement, wrench, tech gadgets, PC, beauty and amp, skincare, nail care, outdoor and amp, travel gear, backpack. Each of these niches has millions of potential buyers, but don't try to serve everyone. Pick one and go deep. Here's a golden rule: passion plus problem equals profitable niche. Let's take an example, the pet niche. Pet owners are emotional buyers. They spend on toys, clothes, health, even luxury beds for their pets. If you sell a smart pet feeder that helps owners feed pets even when they're away, you've hit both emotion and problem solving. Magnifying glass Step 3. How to research winning products. Okay, so how do you actually find those products? Here are the top proven methods for 2025 that beginners can use for free or very low cost. 1. Use TikTok and Instagram Reels. Search for keywords like TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds cool gadgets 2025, dropshipping products. Watch what kind of videos are getting millions of views and comments like, "Where did you get that?" Those are gold mines. 2. Use dropshipping tools. Free or freemium tools can show what's trending. PP Spy tracks what products are selling on Shopify stores. Ecom Hunt gives you a list of trending products every day. Minia lets you spy on competitor ads in stores. AliExpress Hot Products directly see what's being ordered the most. 3. Amazon and AMP. Walmart bestsellers. Go to Amazon, right pointing arrow, click on bestsellers. You'll see what people are buying every single day. If something is trending there, you can often find the same or similar product cheaper on AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. 4. Pinterest and AMP. Google Trends. Pinterest shows what people are saving. It's like a future trend detector. Google Trends lets you check if a keyword, like portable blender, is going up or down in search volume. Step 4. Validate your product before selling. Finding a product isn't enough, you need to validate it. Ask these 5 quick questions before committing. Are people already buying it? Is it available for a good profit margin? At least 2 to 3x markup. Can it be shipped easily worldwide? Is it available from reliable suppliers? Can I create engaging videos or photos for it? Let's do a small example. Say you find a LED dog collar selling for 400 rupees on AliExpress, but on Amazon, it's 1,200 rupees. You have a good profit margin. It's lightweight, emotional, and eye-catching. Checkmark, that's a green light. Package. Step 5. Avoid these common mistakes. A lot of beginners fail because they fall for these traps. Selling products that are too cheap, no profit left after ads. Choosing items that are too heavy or fragile, high shipping cost or damage. Picking seasonal products, like snow gloves or Halloween lights, without realizing demand is short-term. Not checking if there are Facebook, Instagram ads already running for that product. If no one's advertising it, maybe it's not profitable. Rocket. Step 6. Choosing between a niche store and a general store. In 2025, most experts suggest starting with a one product or mini niche store. Why? Because it helps you build trust and focus your marketing on one audience. If your store only sells pet grooming tools, pet owners instantly feel, this brand is for me. Once you start making sales, you can expand and add similar products. Robot. Step 7. Use AI tools to speed up your research. AI can make product research faster and smarter. Here are some free or low-cost AI tools that can help. ChatGPT, GPT-5. Ask it to suggest trending niches and product ideas based on season or country. Glass Plus YouTube Summarizer. Summarizes top YouTube videos on winning dropshipping products. Minia Plus PP Spy AI filters. Show what's performing best in your niche. Canva Magic Studio. Creates product mockups and promo designs instantly. Speech Balloon. Step 8. Real-life example, 2025 product trend. Let's do a real example. In late 2024, magnetic wireless chargers became viral on TikTok. Why? Because people needed fast, aesthetic, and portable chargers. Creators made short 10-second videos showing them in cars, offices, and travel setups. The product solved a problem, looked good, and had a strong wow factor. In 2025, a similar trend is rising. Smart home devices like auto curtain openers, mini projectors, and smart LED lamps. These are high margin and perfect for global audiences. Paint palette. Step 9. How to present your product, branding secret. Even if you find a winning product, presentation matters. You can have the same product as 100 others, but if your branding looks trustworthy, you'll win. Use a clean logo, professional product titles, and lifestyle photos instead of just plain white backgrounds. Show the benefit, not the feature. For example, don't say, Smart Posture Corrector. Say, sit confidently all day without back pain. Smart Posture Corrector. Money bag. Step 10. Focus on margin, not just price. A lot of beginners think cheaper products sell faster. That's not always true. Sometimes, a higher priced product actually converts better, because it looks more valuable. If your supplier price is $10, aim to sell it for at least $25 to $30. That gives room for ads, shipping, and profit. Upward trend. Step 11. Keep testing and adapting. Don't fall in love with one product. Dropshipping is about testing fast and smart. Try 2 to 3 products in one niche. Watch what gets clicks, adds to cart, and conversions. Use tools like Google Analytics or Shopify Dashboard to track results. Brain. Final tips before you start selling. Let's summarize everything simply. Choose a niche where people spend emotionally. Find 3 to 5 products that solve problems or excite emotions. Check demand on TikTok, AliExpress, and Google Trends. Validate profit margin and shipping options. Test one product at a time, focus on building your audience. And remember, the product doesn't make you rich, your strategy does. Dropshipping isn't about copying what's trending. It's about understanding what people want and being early to deliver it.